Okay, welcome to our show. This show, we will interview Sadie Carlisle Palad from the Philippines. Hi,
Hi, hello.
are you there? Can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yes.
Tell me about your name. Tell me about yourself. What's your name? How old are you?
Say dear, I'm 7.
Is that your house?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what color is your house?
Plain white and kinda modern.
What do you do every morning?
I watch TV every morning.
Do you have pets?
Yes, the name is Malo.
How many pets do you have?
One.
One? You don't have any cats or rabbits or other dogs?
Oh, I mean 2.
Maybe four?
Yes.
Okay. So are you going to school?
In October,
What grade are you in?
grade 2.
Grade 2 already? How old are you ba?
7.
I see. So tell me about your dad. What's his name?
Ellie. It's you.
Ellie what?
Ellie
Ellie Pogi?
Pogi.
Yeah. Tell me about your siblings. Do you have siblings?
Yes, Sean and Matt.
Okay. Tell me about Shan and Matt. Are they old?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for the interview. Bye-bye. Give it to me. Give me the phone. Come here. Give me the phone.
Okay. It's so laggy.
Oo nga eh. Ay? Okay.
Wait, put it again. Why is it so laggy?
Bagal internet ng cellphone. Kaya pala tagal mo sumagot. Bye! I just testing the record. I'm gonna interview people.